Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for Google Chat. This integration allows you to manage your Asana tasks and projects directly from your Google Chat conversations, making it easier to stay on top of your work without constantly switching between apps. First, open Google Chat in your web browser by navigating to chat.google.com. Once you're there, you can either start a new chat or open an existing space where you'd like to use Asana. This could be a team space, a direct message, or any conversation where you regularly discuss tasks and projects. Now, in the chat input box at the bottom of your screen, type Asana and press Enter. This command tells Google Chat that you want to add the Asana app to your conversation. You'll see a prompt appear asking you to add the app. So go ahead and click Add App to proceed. Next, you'll need to connect your Asana account. Click Connect when prompted, which will start the linking process between Google Chat and Asana. A sign-in window will appear where you'll need to enter your Asana account credentials. This step ensures that the integration has access to your specific Asana workspaces and projects. After signing in, you'll be asked to grant permissions. Click Allow to give Google Chat the necessary access to your Asana account. This permission allows the integration to read and create tasks on your behalf. Once you've granted access, you can close the permissions window. Now it's time to configure your settings. Type /Asana_settings directly into the chat. This command opens the configuration menu where you can customize how Asana works within your Google Chat. Here, you'll select your Asana workspace and choose which project you want to link to this conversation. You can also set your notification preferences to control when and how you're alerted about task updates. After making your selections, click Save to finalize your setup. You're now ready to use Asana right from Google Chat. You can use commands like /Asana_create task to quickly create new tasks without leaving your conversation, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.